Here's how to turn on ghost mode on Instagram. So first, you need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account. Then ensure that you have a stable internet connection and go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you're there, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now, from the settings and activity page, you need to go ahead and scroll down and find the option of messages and story replies that is below how others can interact with you section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, to activate ghost mode, you need to simply turn off show activity status option. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and open any conversation or chat where you want to enable ghost mode. Then simply drag your finger from the bottom of the screen to the top. This will turn on disappearing messages, and new messages and reactions will disappear 24 hours after everyone has seen them. And also make sure that your device location is turned off, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.